So I let my trading bot run for another week, and this one did very well. I mean, this is one we set up together, this most recent one, so it's been 8 days, and currently it's up 3.9% if you're including the floating profit. You can see at one point we're actually up around what 13-15%, but still trading profits was around $15 on this one. So just to do a quick scroll through, nothing changed. Didn't change anything on these bots. Still have the same ones running. Solana still being Solana and being crappy. But all in all, I mean, some of them up 20%. So looks like 10 to 20% this week. And the ones that's down, at least floating profit wise, and then how much is still made trading. So still liking it. Now we're gonna do a little something different, just because I don't feel like paying the fee to transfer over the USDT. So I'm gonna take track of this number, the 93201. Okay, now we can go through. So actually, you know what I'm gonna include? Maybe if I can find my last video, I can include the price appreciation. But for now, let's just stick with the trading bot. All right, let's get to it. Nice, like I told you. Did it already move? One, two, three. Big one. Damn, I'm getting mixed up here. I think I just did this one, but let me check. Okay. Did I do this one already? Oh, yeah. Why did it do that? Hopefully I'm getting them all. Probably skipped one. Okay, just making sure. That's the 276. We're at 145. Fuck it. I think I just did that one though. Okay. That should be all of them. Hopefully I didn't skip any, but if I did, I guess it'll just be more for next week. But might have to consolidate these. Let's see what we did. So we're at $1,000, and we got to subtract that from the 932. So let me bring up the calculator. All right, so 1002.04 minus 932.01. $70 this week. So as you can see, when the market does like to go up, pretty much doubled from the last 2 weeks, because I know I was averaging around $30 for the last 2 weeks, and this week made that in just one. So definitely not mad about that. So if we do the $70 and we divide it by this bigger number again, I just go off this bigger number, even though it could be made off a smaller number, but I'm just going off the number I see. So Divide that by 3609, which you can see it still moves as I'm doing it. So roughly 2%, 1.9.4. Still the same, and you times that by a week and then a year. So still averaging anywhere from, 80 to 100%, which still fits these numbers right here, the 143, 188. And then this is the same one we created together. So when the market drops, you'll still see it. Unless I do consolidate, which I'll probably try to record that just so you guys can see me closing these ones out. But yeah, that's the update. So 1.9% this week.